When I discovered the secret in my life, which was not that many months ago, I discovered it in a night of deepest despair. A glimpse of the secret was handed to me in a book that my daughter Hayley gave to me. The book was The Science of Getting Rich, written by Wallace Wattles. That was the beginning of the journey of the sacred. And basically I just went back through history, reading every great book that was written by all of the greats, piecing this secret together bit by bit. I knew that I wanted to take this knowledge and take it to the world. I saw the secret as bringing joy and abundance to hundreds and millions of people around the world. I began searching for people alive today who knew the secret. In a few short weeks, I had discovered the modern-day practitioners of the secret. The vision of taking the secret to the world in a film had become fixed in my mind. And over the following 2 months, my film and television production team learned the secret. It was imperative that every team member knew it, because without its knowledge, what we were about to attempt would be impossible. We did not have a single teacher secured to film, but we knew the secret, and so with utter faith, I flew from Australia to the United States, where the majority of the teachers were based. 7 weeks later, the secret team had filmed 55 of the greatest teachers across the United States, with over 120 hours of film. With every step, with every breath, we used the secret to create the secret. Eight months later, the secret was released. As the film swept the world, stories of miracles began to flood in. People wrote about healing from chronic pain, depression and disease, walking for the first time after an accident, even recovering from a deathbed. We have received thousands of accounts of the secret being used to bring about large sums of money and unexpected checks in the mail. We receive thousands upon thousands of letters from people across the world, of all ages, all races and all nationalities, expressing gratitude for the joy of the secret. All of this has taken place in the few months since the release of the film. The demand for the secret has been so great that we are now translating the film into 30 different languages. There isn't a single thing that you cannot do with this knowledge. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are. The secret can give you whatever you want. And so now, for the first time in history, the secret that has been known by so few is being returned to where it belongs, with you.